Alright guys, welcome back to another video on Gavin's World. So today we're going to be today we're going to be using this superpower racer car. Goes 33 miles per hour. It's pretty slow right now. And yeah. So yeah. And this is the remote. It has an attachable wheel that you can put back on. Like that. You can go forward and backwards. So let's check it out. Okay. So 3, 2, 1.
Is the battery dead?
Chase the car! Man. Oh man. Almost can't chase my Nana's car. Dude. That was cool, right? Ouch! Oh, stupid. Oh, dude, it was like this. Watch. Oh no! How did that happen? The cabin. Look at them. Alleluia, sapi. 3, 2, 1, go! It could go 100 feet away. 33 miles per hour. It's not fully charged. It lasts for 15 minutes. How stupid! Welcome. This is gonna be the end of the video in a second. So I hope you enjoy it. Ouch. Please subscribe and yeah. Subscribe. Subscribe, I said. So guys, this ran out of battery, and yeah, I'm gonna show you what's inside. Oh, and I forgot, it's waterproof level. It has a waterproof level right there. 3 waterproof level. The IP waterproof level protects itself from splashing water and waves. Ages 8 and up. Yeah, I got this for Christmas, and that changes the gears, and you just switch it on. The red light comes on. It's dead right now. So it lasts for about 15 minutes. You can go on rocks, and it has a waterproof level. And yeah, so I'll show you what's inside it. It has these things you can connect on them. Oh no, one of them fell off. Now I don't have any extra ones anymore, because I had already a lot of extras, but I lost all the extras. Can't believe it. That's a miracle. It's Christmas time of the year. Yeah. Okay, so just pulled off. Yeah. There's two of them. There's a green one, check on it, and a red one. I got the green one. That's why they put a sticker check on it. It actually is. And this is what it looks like. It's really good shocks. You can go off ramps and stuff. So yeah. Then all you do is do this. And it charges for an hour. You could buy them at stores. Like, you could buy the charger. You could buy the battery. And you could buy another charger. Or you could just buy a whole car that comes with all of them. But you could buy an extra battery. Then this is what it looks like. You just switch it off. And this is the antenna. Take it out. Pull it off. And yeah, see? Then, okay, so then you plug this in. The green means it's dying, and the red means it's charging. It charges for an hour. It's the longest. You want to waste all of the power out, though. You want to. See, it's red. Now, it's connected in. Just leave it there. Wait an hour. Then, that's it. So that's your full propagation high-speed racing truck. And what do you say at the end of the video? Yeah, please subscribe to my video. Yeah, subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Peace out. Bye, la 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 la, Gavins World.